So that's why. On the cheekbone area, and the nose show here, the tips, and here, and here, and here. Okay.
Hey guys, it's me, Chanella, and Hermesla. Today we're gonna be doing a Guerlain unboxing. It's from Paris too, and look, there's a bush, a lion, a human lion. Anyway, yeah. So let's get all the boxes.
I want to take it out.
Oh, you should take this one out. So yeah, let's unbox this one. The ribbon is off because
I open it,
which is very unfortunate. Wrong way. Upside down. Yeah. So I'm just gonna open this, and yeah. Okay, so first we got this box. So David Jones, because that's where he got it, and yeah, it's kind of formed, which is very unfortunate. So it has this like magnetic opening thing, magnetic box. What are you doing? I already said it's upside down. What? You have to open this. Oh wait, your tiny fingers could never.
and let's get potty poop.
Okay, now I can open it. Okay. So this box, I said it's magnetic, so like it's like magnet. Ew, there's an orange thing. Oops. Yeah. So it's like this. Ooh. This is what's inside. Ooh, it fell down. So these are just testers, I guess. Yep. It's I have no idea what this is.
What
Gold. Oh, it's foundation like thing. Yeah, it's just a tester. But we got a lipstick. This is a lipstick, and this is a case. Cause we gotta pick cases. Oh yeah, I remember. I picked this black one. And I had this one. Don't open it yet, girl. This is this one. I'm looking forward to that one. But this one is Hermeslla's. Oh, the camera. I just noticed. Yep. Okay. Hermeslla, get your head inside here. Anyway, I'm gonna move the box because there's nothing inside this one.
We forgot this one.
Oh yeah. So we got this one. So the lipsticks are different colors. Mine is a pink one, and Hermeslla's is a red one. And yeah. And then her case thing is like a pearly one, like a very shiny one. And then this one is eyeliner. I remember we were trying it in the like store thing. Like I kind of really liked using this one, but they told me I couldn't use a lot because like which is very sad. It says intense liquid eyeliner. So which one do you want to unbox first, the lipstick or the eyeliner?
The lipsticks.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put this in this box.
So
let's do your one first. Wait, this one put inside here. So this is a lipstick. I'm gonna open the box. There's a barcode over here, so you can like go like on your camera and like scan this. Like it's okay for you to scan if you want to see the details of this lipstick. But this lipstick is the color of this is what? I think this is the name of it.
We forgot this one today.
I feel like I'm saying it wrong. No, this one, we already bought it. So this is what the lipstick looks like. This is that black thing to cover it.
Not the lipstick.
This is the lipstick. Oops, too long.
Is that a real one?
It says the like brand name over here. It's really kind of hard to see. Yeah.
Sure, is that a real lipstick?
Yeah, it's a real lipstick. And we're gonna wear it later.
Wait, sure, is that a fake one?
Okay, no, it's not a fake one. This is a real one. Okay, and let's open the case so you don't get mixed up. So this is the pearly one.
Hey, get out, Guccillo!
Oh, she was touching stuff. It's okay. Okay, so this is the case. I just saw the name. It's called K-Doll. That's the name of it, but it's like not the type.
I want it.
Okay. Oops. Yeah.
And
This
now
one-
let's try it.
There's like this sticker over here, so like you can open it. Like so it's a sticker. Wait, I'm just gonna put this over here because I want to like look at the case for a bit. Oh yeah. Sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna open the sticker. And yeah, in this part you can open it, which is really cool. It has a mirror, so I'm just gonna look at my oh, yeah, let's look at ourselves.
Hello. What? This is my channel. Oh, no. Oh, it's not
You can kind of see yourself in the
Wait,
mirror.
no.
Go.
I need to close it.
Okay, so yeah, this mirror is just for like when you put in lipstick. It can be like, ooh, I'm wearing lipstick. Yeah.
Or you can
It's
close
okay. It's okay. I forgot how you close this. Also, there's a sticker over here. There's a sticker over here to cover this. Like, here's a sticker.
And we have to close it. So, can you?
Okay. We're not gonna open a sticker for now because yeah. And let's put in. Wait, do we put it? Okay, we don't put it with the black thing. So yeah. Oh, so when you open this, this pops out. So this is cool.
What's your arm do it? What did you do?
What'd you do?
What did you do all red? Oh, sad.
Hermessa's very sad
My
because
lips just broke.
we just saw during the video that sadly our lipstick had been squashed and broken
So we
because
can
we
buy.
were playing with it and twisting it while the lid was on, which caused it to squash. So
Oh, no,
like
it's
lesson
squash.
learned, even when the lid is on, you shouldn't be like twisting it, as you don't know what will happen. It could just get squashed like here. So please don't do what we did, and you'll regret it. Cause like yeah. So yeah, let's try on the lipstick because it will be kind of mushy and a lot of like lipstick will get on our lips if like we use it directly on the lips. So to be convenient, we have the Chanel lip brush. It's upside down. Chanel lip brush. Ooh, groovy. Yeah, this lip brush we got from Chanel a while ago, and I think we did a video on this before, but if we didn't, here we go. Cool. So Hermessa, you want to try a lipstick first? So I won't put like a lot. I'll put like a little by little, because I don't put too much. Now I'll close this. Wait, put it by here. So a little thing, because this part, as soon as you take off the sticker, you won't be able to close it shut. But when you put the lipstick inside, it won't open anymore. So that's very convenient. Okay, so show me lips. Don't open your mouth. Do like. Okay. Okay, like show the camera and turn your head. Close your eyes because my hands might get on your eyes. Ooh, very thick. Ooh, you look nice. Okay, kiss them. Kiss your viewers. Actually, no, don't touch your mouth. But yeah, now it's my turn. So just on the side. My lips are kind of dry.
Ew, my mouth is so ugly.
Shush, it's okay. I'm gonna use a mirror instead. So let me just close this.
So I need to wipe it.
No.
Ew.
Camera. Guys. We look swag.
No, we
my
don't.
foot. Anyway, we look swag.
No, we not. Ma.
Buy my like I'll get lipstick.
Ma. 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 Ma.
What did I just do? You know what? I look kind of better with no eyeballs. Wait, that sounds weird. Like on the camera. Yeah. Take a photo of me. Take a photo of me. Yeah.
Nice.
Check out Instagram, chanellahermesllaguccillo. Don't worry, we're not done yet. So, let's try on the other lipstick. So, let's put this in the side.
I need a
Wait,
giant.
I thought I forgot to say the name. The lipstick, not this one. This is Kato. Oh, this one. So, the name of the lipstick is Rouge. It's number 21. Sorry, I'm not 21. Ooh, wow, so cool. The Guerlain. Okay, it has a G over here. So, okay, quick. Let's get the fingers. So we need some makeup remover. We're running out, so we soon need to get more. But, woohoo. Moving on to the next one, the pink one, which is mine. Oh, this is the case of it. Oh, shut up.
Chanella!
Sorry, girl.
Chanella, not again!
Is that white hair? No, it's just my hair. So this is a pink one, which is called Rouge, number 77. So it's a lipstick and it's also broken.
Yay.
Don't be happy, it's bad. So this is what it looks
Let's
like.
open it.
This is the whole thing. I mean, this is the whole thing, but like, oh, that's just a bit of it. It also has the brand
Today, let's open
Guerlain
this one
Wait.
today.
on the lipstick. Most lipsticks do that. And
I want to
yeah,
smell it.
so I'm gonna close this because I need to get the case. Is it this one? It's
Hey.
my case. Okay, be careful. So this is my one, which is the black one I chose. It's like this leather one, which is really cool. So this is a leather one. It's very like shiny, like it's like silver. Silver hardware.
Put it left
So
one.
yeah, let's not put the lipstick because we need to be cool. And it's what lipstick looks like. Yeah, so let's not try the lipstick. This is what it looks like. It's very pink, because of course it's pink. Now let's put on Hermeslla.
So which one? This one or this one?
No, this one.
This.
Put in this one, silly. This one, Hermeslla. Hermeslla. Oh, you can't see much. Yeah, that's enough. Good.
Lipstick tastes like jelly beans.
Okay, I guess it's done. Look like this one Hermeslla looks like. Hermeslla, don't cover your face. Hey, hey. Also, the name of this one is called Perfect Black, and there's no number. So you also gotta choose your cases, which was a really cool experience. So yeah, this looks like it's like a cool color, nice pink. It's like a hot pink color, I guess. So yeah. So this is okay. Yes, I cannot. It looks like on me really closely. It looks so thick.
I'm look thick too. With
I
my
really like because her lips are
twins.
like more lighter. That's why it's
And
not that bright.
this is my twins.
So yeah. Now that we're done with the lipstick, bye lipstick.
Hey, no, that's my twins.
Oh wait, let's put it back.
No, my twins.
Now let's do the last item, which is the eyeliner. Oh, Herman's